Hi guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I really wanted to do a Valentine's Day themed makeup look. I absolutely love doing like holiday themed makeup looks. I don't really know if Valentine's Day is considered a holiday, but I don't know, everyone celebrates it. Maybe it is. But yeah, doing Halloween looks, Christmas looks are like some of my favourite makeup looks to film, because I feel like you can really just go like all out on your makeup, and yeah, I just absolutely love them. And honestly, I want to do more of these, just like really like, I don't know, avant-garde experimental makeup looks, but I just like never know what to title them, because like, you know, this one I can just be like, it's a Valentine's Day makeup look, but yeah, usually I'm like, what the hell would I title this? Anyway, I'm rambling already. So for this video I created this makeup look that is inspired by Valentine's Day, hence the hearts on my eyes and all the pinkness. I absolutely love this look. I honestly, when I started this look, I had no idea what I was doing. I found a few pictures on Pinterest that I really liked, and so kind of took inspiration from them, but yeah, I genuinely had no idea what I was going to do, and it was a struggle. When I started this look out, I nearly wiped it all off and just gave up, because it just, yeah, it didn't start out too good, but I'm glad I kept with it because I love how it looks now. So this look is full of pinkness, glitter, got some hearts on there, and I think it's super cute. Perfect for your Valentine's Day date. Like honestly, wear this on your date. That's how you get the right partner, I think. Yeah, so if you like this look, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. And yeah, if you want to know how to get this really fun look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so starting off with the eyes, I'm just going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer to carve out my eyebrows, and then also to conceal my eyelids ready for eyeshadow. I was going to say foundation then. And then to set that, I'm going to use the MAC Prep and Prime Loose Powder to create a really smooth base for the eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is the Modern Renaissance by Anastasia, and I'm going to take this light purple shade and blend that into my crease, and then this shade called Love Letter, and put that directly into the crease to deepen it up a little bit. And then I'm also kind of flicking that out on the outer edge as well, and bringing it really close into the inner corners. Okay, so this is where it kind of goes downhill a little bit. I took this Kiko like magnetic pigment type thing, which is super pretty. I love how it looks, but I just can't figure out how to apply it. So I started packing it on my outer corners, and then I like blended it a little bit with a brush, but it literally just disappeared. So then I tried to spray my brush with Fix Plus, and that looked so pretty when I was packing it on. Like, look how pretty that looks. Oh my god, gorgeous. So I just blended it out slightly, but half of it just disappeared again, so I just kind of gave up and just like blended it all into the crease. So yeah, you really don't have to do that step, but yeah, I did it anyway. I'm then going to take a mix of these two shades and pack it on my outer corner. And then taking the Colourpop concealer again, I'm going to create a half cut crease. And I'm setting that with the light shade in the palette. I'm then taking this Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Luxe, which is so pretty. And I'm using the NYX glitter glue to stick that on with, and yeah, I'm just packing that where we cut out the crease, and it's so pretty. I absolutely love it. So then moving on to the fun part, well, and the difficult part, I'm taking the Kylie, what is this, Candy K liquid lipstick, I think, and a really tiny brush, and I'm just creating a small heart underneath my eyebrow. and this takes a lot of patience and a really steady hand. It was pretty difficult to do, but surprisingly not as hard as I thought it would be. But when I did that, it kind of, when it dried down, it looked too much like the shade of the eyeshadow, so I took the Colourpop satin lip, I think it's called, in Baracuda, and that was a bit darker, and I just went over it, which you can barely see because I was so close to my mirror. But yeah, I just went over the heart and I think it looked a lot better. So going on to the face, I'm going to prime it using the L'Oreal Lumi Magique primer. And then I'm taking the Huda Beauty Faux Filter foundation, and if you want to see my first impressions on this, I will leave it linked on the screen for you. But yeah, I'm just blending that all over my skin with my Real Technique sponge. And then taking the same Colourpop concealer for under my eyes and to kind of highlight the centre of my face a little bit, which I never used to do, but I've been loving doing that recently. And then I'm just setting it using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, like I always use. For bronzer, I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and just, yeah, bronzing up my face and my neck with this. And then for blush, I'm taking this Too Faced Eggnog Latte palette and using the blush in there. It was from their 2016 Christmas collection, I believe. And for highlight, I'm taking the Kylie Bible palette and this pinky shade, which is so pretty. I literally packed it on so that you could see it on camera, and you can just about see it. But yeah, really love this highlight shade. It's so pretty. So moving back onto the eyes, I am going to take Love Letter on a little pencil brush and just run that along my lower lash line and really smoke it out and blend it all nicely. And for glitter, because it wouldn't be a completed look without glitter, taking this Glitter Injections glitter in Cranberry Glaze and just putting that underneath my eyes and kind of like dragging it down so it looks like a tear, I guess. I don't know. I think it looks super cool, so yeah. And then I thought I would add a tiny little heart, so I'm taking the shade Frick and Frack by Colourpop and just, yeah, adding a tiny heart. And then I forgot to set my eyebrows, so I'm doing that really quickly. And then I'm just curling my lashes and applying some of the Urban Decay Perversion mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And for lips, I'm taking this Revlon lipstick in the shade Blushing Mauve, I can't say that word, but I used to love this lipstick and I don't use it that much anymore, but I thought I'd whip it out for this look. But that is the look complete. I really hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I think this is one of my favourite looks I've ever done. Subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!